5.3 Character Sets. The translation character set consists of the following elements. Each abstract character assigned a code point in the Unicode code space as specified in the Unicode standard, and a distinct character for each Unicode scalar value not assigned to an abstract character. Note: Unicode code points are integers in the range 0, 10FFF hexadecimal. A surrogate code point is a value in the range D800, DFFF hexadecimal. A Unicode scalar value is any code point that is not a surrogate code point. The basic character set is a subset of the translation character set, consisting of 99 characters as specified in Table 1. Note: Unicode short names are given only as a means to identifying the character. The numerical value has no other meaning in this context. The universal-character-name construct provides a way to name other characters. N-char, one of any member of the translation character set except the U+007D right curly bracket or new line character. N-char-sequence, indented N-char, indented N-char-sequence N-char. Named-universal-character, indented \n obrace N-char-sequence clobrace. Hex-quad, indented hexadecimal-digit, 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 hexadecimal-digit. Simple-hexadecimal-digit-sequence, indented hexadecimal-digit, indented simple-hexadecimal-digit-sequence, hexadecimal-digit. Universal-character-name, indented \U lowercase hex-quad, \U hex-quad hex-quad, \u obrace simple-hexadecimal-digit-sequence clobrace, indented named-universal-character. A universal-character-name of the form \u hex-quad \u hex-quad hex-quad or \u obrace simple-hexadecimal-digit-sequence clobrace designates the character in the translation character set whose Unicode scalar value is the hexadecimal number represented by the sequence of hexadecimal digits in the universal-character name. The program is ill-formed if that number is not a Unicode scalar value. A universal-character name that is named a named-universal-character designates the corresponding character in the Unicode standard. If the n-char sequence is equal to its character name or to one of its character name aliases of type control, correction, or alternate. Otherwise, the program is ill-formed. Note: these aliases are listed in the Unicode character database's namealiases.txt. None of these names or aliases have leading or trailing spaces. If a universal-character name outside the C-char sequence, S-char sequence, or R-char sequence of a character-literal or string-literal, in either case, including within a user-defined literal, corresponds to a control character or to a character in the basic character set, the program is ill-formed. Note: a sequence of characters resembling a universal-character name in an R-char sequence does not form a universal-character name. The basic literal character set consists of all characters of the basic character set plus the control characters specified in Table 2. A code unit is an integer value of character type. Characters in a character-literal other than a multi-character or non-encodable character literal or in a string-literal are encoded as a sequence of one or more code units, as determined by the encoding prefix. This is termed the respective literal encoding. The ordinary literal encoding is the encoding applied to an ordinary character or string literal. The wide literal encoding is the encoding applied to a wide character or string literal. A literal encoding or a locale-specific encoding of one of the execution character sets encodes each element of the basic literal character set as a single code unit with non-negative value, distinct from the code unit for any other such element. Note: a character not in the basic literal character set can be encoded with more than one code unit. The value of such a code unit can be the same as that of a code unit for an element of the basic literal character set. The U plus 000 null character is encoded as the value 0. No other element of the translation character set is encoded with a code unit of value 0. The code unit value of each decimal digit character after the digit 0, U plus 0030, shall be greater than the value of the previous. The ordinary and wide literal encodings are otherwise implementation defined. For a UTF-8, UTF-16, or UTF-32 literal, the implementation shall encode the Unicode scalar value corresponding to each character of the translation character set as specified in the Unicode standard for the respective Unicode encoding form.